Welcome to another episode of Box TV. No, this episode is about you can't promise Jamaicans money and not send it or not send it on time. Hold on, yeah? No, I say 3 o'clock or 1 o'clock now. Yeah, I send it. I send it. Alright. Sorry. Reasons be them will call your foot. Yeah, no man. No, yeah, I'm gonna send it. No, man. I send it, man. Alright. Put credit for your phone. Yeah. Alright. Then we call until the credit done, till them text you for put credit on them phone so them can call you back. Don't do it. If you promise them money, make sure you send the money. Make sure you put the credit on them phone. But what we don't like is when you put the credit on them phone and then pick up the money. Sometimes them do ever call you and tell you say them get the money. Them just take the money and go about them business. And don't call you back until them need more money. We are gonna need a thank you or some form of appreciation. Thank you when we send the money there and you get it. If you tell a Jamaican 12 o'clock, you best believe you will get a phone call 10 o'clock. Because them are gonna remind you, say you promise to send them the money. Hold on, yeah. I'm not send it yet, you know, but you're gonna send it. You're gonna send it your time 3 o'clock today. Your time. It's now 1 o'clock my time. So I know say I know 3 o'clock your time. Jamaicans not play them thing there. Money, send, more time for less note all the phone call we are gonna get. Don't put a time frame on it. Just say tomorrow we are gonna send you some money. That can even be worse too because tomorrow have any time. So that means you're gonna get a phone call almost yeah. At 2 o'clock now. Yeah, 2 o'clock. Yeah, I send it, man. Them people you're not partial. Worse when it come to money. Them tell you put some credit on them phone so them can call you and call you and call you just to remind you. Say you're gonna send the money 3 o'clock today because the day now go pass and you not get a million phone call about the money there where you promise. Don't promise Jamaicans money and don't send it. Trust me. Or turn off your phone because you go get a bag of phone call. Most Jamaicans never yet have credit on them phone, but when it come to that money where they them somehow find the credit, they call you for remind you. Jamaicans we call you 20 times in a one day just for remind you about the money there. Yeah, the money there where you said or send 3 o'clock. Yeah, at 1 o'clock, but guess what? I just remind you about the money where you hold on. Yeah man, I get ready now. I make a look quick video, but I go now, I go send it. Put some more credit, put some credit on your phone. Don't play around when it come to the money something there. If you promise them money, you better send it and put credit on them phone too. But when you get the money, remember to call and say thanks. Remember, foreign is not a bed of rose. Most of the time it's hard for me to look for my landlord and I give money. But I have to do it because I have to go live on the street. So if I take my hard working money, give you all me want is a thanks. I know I'm not going to hear back from you till you need money again. But sometimes you can find credit from somebody or something and call and say, hey Marga boy. Yeah, alright. As soon as I say yeah, you say alright, that's all I want to know and hang up. Thanks. If you have a Jamaican relative that does these things, comment, like, share. Remember, don't forget to subscribe to Box TV, War Professor on YouTube channel, IG, Facebook. Box. Don't move your face. Some on the chest too high, you still need to come down a little bit. And don't forget, I almost love you. Box, don't move your face. Yeah, I go right now. I go now. Alright. I go right now.